Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to do a really quick potion. It's going to be a wit sharpening potion as a Ravenclaw who wants to be a Hufflepuff, but never mind. I got stuck with Ravenclaw, so let's just do it. Wit sharpening potion. I have prepared this label. I'll leave you the link for it if you want it for yourself. I just prepared it in Canva. We've got a raven on the top, extra strength. We have our little kitty and some, a scroll in the background and just there. And I've used some pinking shears to cut it just to give it a bit more interest. Here's our bottle. I've got alcohol. I've got some glue to glue in the cork. And then I'm using this blue-green mica powder, which is super pretty. It'll colour the water a little bit, or the alcohol a little bit, as well as some blue glitter, which I haven't used that yet, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it comes out like. A bit of ribbon. This is the only blue that I could find, so we'll see. It'll have to do. And then for the top of it, I'll cover this in wax, but for the top I have this beautiful eagle charm. It just stands, as you can see, and it came from, I think, Temu. If I can find you a link for it, I'll put it in the description box, but it is an actual proper eagle on a branch, and it's kind of bronzy antique colour, so I love that. Attached to the ribbon I'm going to add on a seal, and yeah, let's get started. Well, you've seen me do this a bunch of times before. I'm just going to pour the alcohol straight into the bottle. You could use water with a drop of glycerin in it, or whatever you like. That's quite the full potion. And then I'm also going to put in some of this mica powder and give it a stir. Check out my rubber spoon thing. That came also from Temu. I think that should be about enough. We'll see when I've stirred it all up. And as for the glitter, because I have no idea, I've not used this before, I'm just going to put in, if I can get the lid off. Here we go. Just going to put in a healthy spoon of that as well. And see what happens. Oh my word, it's super pretty. Oh wow, okay, that is a fantastic swirl. It's also quite a beautiful shade of turquoise rather than blue. Maybe I'll add a little bit more glitter just because, can you have too much? Is that a thing? I don't know. Maybe. Wow. Okay, that is the Liberace of potions, let me tell you. I'm just going to glue on my cork and then I will be right back. Okay, while that glue is drying, I'm just going to make myself a Ravenclaw seal. Got this little thing, I don't even know where, Amazon maybe. So I'm going to do it in one of these. It's going to take a while to dry. Colour wise, actually not sure. Oh, let's go bronze, eh? I think that's going to be looking nice because I intend to put bronze on the top as well rather than blue. I've just decided. You come in with one idea and then you end up doing something completely different. Okay, that's going to take a while to melt. Okay, then I'm just going to pour it into here. Oh, I just noticed a cat hair. Oh well. That's life. Okay, and then pop on my seal. And then leave that for a minute. So I've decanted the wax seal and it's quite cute. It's quite rustic looking. Not my best work, but it'll do nicely. And now I'm going to wrap this around the bottle. Just going to use a couple of glue dots to keep the ribbon in place-ish. This ribbon is a beautiful colour. I really like it. Okay, it's a little bit awkward, but again, I'm not going for perfection, just good enough. And I'll stick those down. Just the little end parts. Gosh, this glue, I'm right at the end of this boss stick and I really need to get some more. I only ever use it for literally this purpose right now. But everything else that I'm doing, you know, junk journaling and whatnot, I'm using literally every other kind of glue except that. So I'm kind of not wanting to buy another one. Okay, that'll do. Alright, so this is what we're looking like at the moment, and now it's time to put the label on and to seal this with some more wax. I'm just going to use Pritt Stick for this, for the label, but you could use whatever, any glue you've got. And just get it centered roughly, and then just curl it around. I've put mine on quite thick paper this time, but you could use, you know, whatever you want to print off this label if you want to use this one. I just think that the pinking shears add a really nice little extra piece of decoration. Okay, and while that's adhering, I'll make some more wax. Okay, that looks good. So let's just get my bottle and pour. Okay, that'll do. And then my eagle for the top. How do I want him to be posed? I think this way, so he's looking at us. Alright, I will leave that to dry and then we'll assess. And here we have the finished potion. At the moment, as you can see, all of the mica and the glitter have gone down to the bottom of the bottle. Look at my gorgeous eagle, I am so happy with him. But if we give it a shake, then suddenly, oh, wow, the most fabulous darling. Look at that. Wow, okay, fine. So that is going somewhere on one of my shelves. I'm not quite sure which one yet. I'll need to find some more room. I need to stop making these things, actually. All right, call it here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.